Good morning, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. As you can see, I'm not in the office this morning. I've been strolling around the Batson farm a little bit, and you know what? As I reflect back on and look over this land, I just think of how truly blessed that I am. And so many ways that I am blessed, and you are part of that blessing. I'm blessed with a wonderful, supportive wife, Amanda, who got me started on this channel, as I've said so many times, because it is thanks to her. But I want to say publicly, I love you and thank you to you, Amanda, too. I am so grateful for you. But we'll be headed over to our daughters and spend some time with Zoe, my granddaughter, and my son-in-law just shortly. But as I took my little meditation walk, I want you to know that I've prayed for you guys this morning in my devotion too, and I thought about Psalm 118:24. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. We are so blessed in this country. And to that end, I want you to take a moment throughout the day and think of those in the military and the first responders that are out today away from their families, so that we can have a peaceful Thanksgiving. So say a prayer for them, for their safety, and for their families, and for the sacrifice they make. Well, guys, I'm going to walk back in. It's pretty cold, even here in South Carolina. I think it's in the low 40s right now. And I know for some of you up north that you're going, ha, ha, ha. And yeah, I know. But as I said, I'm going to head back in. But I want to leave you with this. 1 Chronicles 16:34. Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever. And the greatest of all of these things is love. Guys, we love you. We appreciate you. Hope your Thanksgiving day with family is absolutely awesome. Enjoy it. We'll see you in the next video. God bless, guys.